Hello everyone, it's nice to see you again. This is teacher Sidra from the Way Private School. Today our topic is calculating area and perimeter of compound shapes. This is grade 7, chapter number 18 and today's date is 14 April 2020. And you will find this topic on the course book page 173. Now let's start. A compound shape is one that is made up of simple shapes such as squares and rectangles. Squares and rectangles that made a compound shape. You work out the area of compound shape using this method. There are 4 steps if you have to find the shape of compound. Split the shape into squares or rectangles. First of all, you will split the shape into squares and rectangles. Then work out the area of each individual square or rectangle. Add together the individual areas to get the total area. And the 4th step, work out the perimeter of shape by adding the lengths of all sides. There are 4 steps. In first step, you will split the shape into squares or rectangles. In the second step, you will find the area of each rectangle and then you will add the areas of each rectangle, and at the end you will find the perimeter of a shape. Now let's try to solve a work example. Work out the area and perimeter of this shape. As you can see here, a compound shape is given where this side of length and this side of length is not given. So first of all, in the first step, we will divide into square or rectangle. We will divide this shape into 2 parts. This one part is, we can say, A, and the second part we can say it will become B. And in part A, we know the width of this and length of this part, but at the side of this A, we don't know the length. So we will find the length of missing numbers. For A, we can get 8 minus 3. It will be equal to 5. If both lengths are given, then just subtract the 2 values, then you can get the value of missing length. So 8 minus 3, it will become 5. Just see the opposite sides of other 2 sides. Here it will be 12. A plus B, it will be equal to 12 centimeter. And for A, it will be equal to 5 centimeter. And this length is not given in this question. So just subtract this 5 from 12. 12 minus 5, it will be equal to 7. So we can say the side length of B is 7 centimeter. Or we can say 7 plus 5, it will be equal to total 12 centimeter. So first of all, now we find the missing lengths. Now first of all, we will find the area of A. So area of A is 8 is the length of A and 5 centimeter is the width of A. So area of A is equal to 8 multiplied by 5. It will be equal to 40 centimeter square. And for B, just multiply length into width. This is the length and this is the width. 7 multiplied by 3, it will be equal to 21 centimeter. After that, you will add these 2 areas. Then you will get the total area. 40 plus 21 is equal to 61 centimeter square. The 4th step is that if you have to find the perimeter, then just add all these lengths. 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Add all these lengths, then it will be equal to 40 centimeter. So to solve a compound shape, there are 4 steps. Now let's try to solve our exercise. That is question number 1. Copy and complete both methods to find the area of this compound shape. Here A and B, this is a compound shape where it is divided into 2 parts. There are 2 methods to solve this question. This is method 1 and this is method 2. You can divide it into in this way, and also you can divide this shape into in this way. There are small sphere and a big rectangle is formed. So it's up to you how you can divide the shape. In both the shape, the answer you can get will be the same. So first of all, just divide it into 2 parts. After that, find the area A. 6 multiplied by 2. This is the 6 and it will be equal to 2. So it will become 12 centimeter. And then for B, you have to find first of all the missing numbers. And for missing number for B is 4. And 6 minus 2, it will become 4, as we will subtract these 2 sides. So 6 minus 2, it will become 4. So 4 multiplied by 4, it will become 16 centimeter. After that, what you will do? Just add all these areas. So total area will become 12 plus 16. It will become 28 centimeter. This is the another method to solving this question. First of all, you will find the missing number. Here, what is the value of this side of the length? 6 minus 2, it will become 4. And for A, the missing length is 6 minus 4, it will become 2. So we can say area A is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. Here it will be 2 centimeters. So 2 multiplied by 2, it will become 4 centimeter. And for rectangle B, what is the length of B? It will be 6 centimeter. And what is the width of B? It will be equal to 4 centimeter. So just multiply length into width. 6 multiplied by 4, it will be equal to 24. After that, adding these 2 areas, 4 plus 24, you will get the total area. So we can say that, what do you notice about your answers in part A? In both the ways, we get the same answer. It will be equal to 28 centimeter, and here it will be equal to 28 centimeter. So in both the ways, we can get the same answer. So it's up to you how you can divide the shape. Now let's solve the question number 2. Work out the area and perimeter of these shapes. So what we will do? First of all, we will find the missing lengths. This side, what is the value of this side? Yes, here 10 and here it is 3. So 10 minus 3, it will be equal to 7 centimeter. So this side of length is 7 centimeter. And this side of length will become 9 minus 4. It will be equal to 5 centimeter. As you can see here, 5 centimeter. 5 plus 4, it will become 9 centimeter, or you can say. So after that, what you will do? You will divide it into 2 parts. This is the A part and this is the B part. So first of all, the area of A is equal to area of A 7 multiplied by 9. This is the width and this is the length. So 9 multiplied by 7, it will be equal to 63. And for B, it will be equal to 4 multiplied by 3. This is the width and this is the length for B part. So 4 multiplied by 3, it will become 12. After that, you will add both these values, 63 plus 12. You will get the total area, that is 75 centimeter. And then perimeter. To find the perimeter, you will add all these lengths. 10 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Then it will be equal to 38 centimeter. So this is 4-step procedure to find the area and perimeter of this shape. Same like this is the P part of this question. Here it will be equal to 13 and it will be equal to 1 centimeter. This side of length is missing. So 13 plus 1, it will be equal to 14 centimeter. So this side of length will become 14 centimeter. and this side of length that is missing, it will be equal to, just subtracting these two sides, opposite sides, 8 minus 6, it will become 2 centimeter. Now we know the length of each part. After that we will divide into two parts. This is the part A of rectangle and this is the part B of rectangle. So area A of rectangle, this is the area of A. Here 6 multiplied by 13. This side of length is 13. 13 multiplied by 6, it will be equal to 78. You cannot say that 14 multiplied by 6 because 14 is the total length and we have to find just A part until this line. So 13 multiplied by 6, this is the area A of rectangle, and 8 multiplied by 1, this is the area B of rectangle, that is 8. After that you will add these two areas, 78 plus 8, it will become 86 centimeters square. This is total area. In the fourth step, you will add all these values, 13 plus 6 plus 14 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2. It will be equal to 44 centimeter, and this was the perimeter of this question. Question number 1 and the C part of this same like that. First of all, you will find the missing values. Here the missing value is 4 minus 1. It will be 3 meter, and here 5 meter, and here 4 meter. But this value is missing, this small section. So 5 minus 4, it will be equal to 1 meter. So after that you will divide into two portions. It will be A part of the shape and it will become the B part of the shape. So first of all, area A of the square, it will be equal to 4 multiplied by 4, then 16 centimeter. This is the B part of the shape. So what is the length of B? 3 meter and width is 1 meter. So 3 multiplied by 1, it will be equal to 3. By adding these two areas, it will become 19 meters square, that is total area. After that, if you have to find the perimeter, just add all these values, 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, then plus 1 and then plus 4. It will be equal to 18 meter. Is it clear now? Now question number 3, copy and complete the workings to find the area of the blue section in this diagram. Here there is blue section and here it is white section. So first of all you will find the area of large rectangle and then small rectangle. So what is the question? Area of large rectangle, 30 multiplied by dash is equal to dash centimeter square. So here 30 centimeter is given and width is also given, that is 10 centimeters. So just multiply these two values, it will be equal to 300 centimeters square. Area of hole, this part is hole, so multiply area length into width, 8 centimeter multiplied by 4, it will be equal to 32 centimeters square. After that you will subtract these two values, then you can get the blue area. Blue area is 300 minus 32, then it will be equal to 268 centimeters square. When this value is whole is subtracted from the total large rectangle, then you can get the area of this blue section. So 300 minus 32, it will be equal to 268 centimeters square. So this is the question 3 and it solves. Try to solve question 4 and 5 at your home. This is 4 procedure step. Is it clear now? So this is the end of our lecture. Thank you.